Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to solve this challenging trigonometry. Given sine to the set of s plus cosine to the set of s equal to 1/4. What is the value of 1 over sine to the set of s plus 1 over cosine to the set of s? Alright, so in order to solve this equation, we know that sine square of s plus cosine square of s equal to 1. Alright, so we need to convert everything into this form. Alright, in order to do that, we just use change of variable. So basically, I'm gonna let a equal to sine square of s and b equal to cosine square of s. Alright, so we observe that a plus b equal to sine square of s plus cosine square of s, and this guy equal to 1. So we have a plus b equal to 1. Alright, now we observe that this guy, if we cube both sides, so what happens? We have a cube equal to sine square of s altogether cube. So it turns out to be sine to the set of s. Alright, similarly, we have b cube equal to cosine to the set of s, right? We have sine to the set of s plus cosine to the set of s equal to 1/4, right? So I write 1/4 in the front like this, equal to. Alright, now I substitute a cube for this one right here, right? Because a cube equals sine to the set, right? So I have a cube plus this one, same thing, it's gonna be b cube. Now this one I just add and subtract 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Alright, so I need to subtract 3a square b minus 3ab square. Alright, so this guy turns out to be, I need to group this guy, so it turns out to be a plus b cube. Right, this one right here, I just need to factor 3ab out. So it could be 3ab times a plus b. Alright, so I have a plus b equal to 1 right here. Alright, so this guy turns out to be 1 minus 3ab, right? And this is actually equal to 1/4. Alright, so I have 3ab equal to 3/4. So ab equal to 1/4. Alright. Alright, so go back over here. This expression equivalent to, right? I need to write this guy and this guy is the same denominator. So basically I just cross multiply, right? So it turns out to be sine to the set of s plus cosine to the set of s over sine to the set of s times cosine to the set of s. Alright. Now the top I just rewrite sine to the set of s plus cosine to the set of s. Now the bottom right here, I just write this one as sine square of s altogether cube times cosine square of s altogether cube, right? So this guy, I just rewrite this one as sine square of s times cosine square of s altogether cube. And this is actually a times b, right? Because a equals sine square of s and b equals cosine square of s, right? Altogether cube, right? So this guy turns out to be sine to the set of s plus cosine to the set of s. It's going to be 1/4 right here. So I have 1/4 right here over a times b cubed, but a times b equals 1/4, right? So I have 1/4 altogether cube. Now I need to simplify this one, right? So it turns out to be I divide the top and bottom by 1/4, right? So I have the top should be 1, the bottom should be 1/4 altogether square, right? So it's going to be 1 over 16, right? I flip this one, so the answer must be equal 16. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.